We're here today with Dr. Theresa Heah, who is the Chief Medical Officer with AsclepiX Therapeutics. Welcome.
Good afternoon, Cheryl. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. And we wanted to take a few minutes just to kind of touch base and catch up on what's going on within the company and also within your lead product, your lead candidate. Would you like to take a few minutes first and kind of update our audience on the company?
So we are AsclepiX Therapeutics, originated out of Johns Hopkins University. We are focused on transforming the treatment of ocular diseases and also cancer. However, our initial focus is on retinal vascular diseases through rapid development of groundbreaking therapies aimed at providing best-in-class results and reducing patient treatment burden through unparalleled duration. So we use a pioneering computational biology methods to identify multiple families of peptides. We own novel 9 classes of peptides, and our company's lead product candidate is AXT107, which we will be evaluating in multiple retinal diseases and expected to enter clinical trials first in human in late 2020. So AXT107 is a synthetic 20-mer collagen 4 derived peptide, a novel peptide monotherapy investigational product. So AXT107 combines anti-VEGF action that inhibits neovascularization with Tie2 activation effects that help restore and stabilize junctions to reduce vascular leakage as well as suppression of inflammation. Combining these two validated pathways within the 3 mechanisms of action in the single molecule. Additionally, when you inject AXT107 solution upon reaching the vitreous, it's self-assembly into a unique, long-lasting gel depot that releases AXT107 over a very long period of time. Due to its long half-life, we have the potential of injecting AXT107 once a year.
Okay. And what do you suppose makes this product or this candidate so unique in this particular space?
I think it's very unique in the sense that if approved, patient may benefit from achieving sustained visual acuity gains with extended duration of action from the synergy of the compound's effect via anti-VEGF and activation of Tie2, which may offer improvement over the current standard of care, which are anti-VEGF therapies alone. The Tie2 effects complement very well with the anti-VEGF action, potentially offering greater improvement in vision gains, as well as reduction of vascular leakage and suppression in inflammation. What's also unique is its self-assembling gel depot naturally occurring. So AXT107 can reduce patient and caregiver burden by decreasing the number of treatment injections. So as I mentioned earlier, potentially to once every year.
And it's certainly great news for patients and physicians alike.
Definitely. And I think it's very important because these diseases are long-term and with one severe injection, retinal specialists can monitor the patients accordingly because of the burden of treatment, that it helps patients to only have one injection a year. And more importantly, as we are going through the COVID-19 and pandemic environment as well, I think it would also prevent, exposure to multiple injections for patients in the future. Yeah.
For sure. And lastly, what are you most excited about in this field at this time?
I think it's really exciting that more and more our peers currently in clinical development are really trying to look into novel therapies to lengthen the duration of action and to reduce the number of injections. Because if you look around, even at ASRS meeting, the virtual presentations, you can see that multiple people are trying to extend this treatment, by every 4 months or even up to every 6 months. In the future, ideally, it should be every year, because of the long chronic disease of these vascular diseases itself. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Heah. We really appreciate your time.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Cheryl.